Hey, it's Tax Quips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama wants to give you a very last-minute tax tip if you're e-filing your tax returns on the very last day of tax season. Each year, I get a number of panicked questions from people who thought they had e-filed their return, only to find out later, sometimes much later, that their tax return had been rejected. Did you know that when you click that magic button to send your tax return off to IRS and your state, that it sometimes gets rejected? It can take about 3 to 7 days to find out, depending on the state. How can you protect yourself? Do one simple little thing before e-filing. File an extension first. By filing that extension, you gain 5 to 6 months to file your tax return. This is an especially important strategy for tax pros who plan to go on vacation immediately after tax season ends. Do this, and you can go without any worries. Then if you do get a rejection for a tax return and miss the deadline to fix it, the return is on extension anyway, so it's not considered late filed. Any balances due won't be subject to a 5% per month penalty, only 0.5%, which is 1/10 of 5%. As a taxpayer, rather than a preparer, check back with your storefront tax preparer to make sure your tax return went through. Don't worry about your online software. It will email you if you got a rejection. I'm hearing from people who went to large chains that they weren't notified about their rejected e-files. It doesn't happen a lot, but when it does happen, the penalties can be very high. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about e-filing and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.